Hello, this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Raven Medical, and today I wanted to go over a simple thing you can do at home for any of you that suffer from trigger points. I know I do. Typically, we'll develop these trigger points in our upper back, but they can occur anywhere along the spine, and it will develop a lot when the tissue gets stressed. It starts thickening and it can start developing. So one thing that helps at home is a thoracic roller. Some of you may use that. But another thing is if you have a golf ball, or I'm going to demo a tennis ball, what you can do is just take this, and if you have a wall, I just put it where that pressure point is. And right here, I can just hold it and I can push back into the wall and hold it for a few seconds. Or like here, I can just roll up and down, move my arm, really get into that point to wherever it feels really tight. And I can just do this for a minute or two, up and down. You could even, if the pressure is not enough, you can even lay in the floor and roll on it there and just put it where that point is really, really bothering you. So I hope this was informative. If you guys have any questions at home, please, as always, comment and let us know if we can help you in any way. All right, thank you very much. Bye.